Welcome to Ending Coverage in Wireless Land. We're going to be covering some very important concepts. First of all, the fact that coverage is still important. We can't do away with it just because capacity is needed. We still need coverage where we need coverage. Secondly, coverage is not simple, and we'll talk about this as well. It's important to understand that coverage is the foundation of capacity. You certainly cannot have capacity in a given area if you don't have coverage in that area. And, of course, coverage is technical, so we'll go into several of the technical aspects related to coverage today. Now, here's the ultimate summary, then, of this information about coverage. Design for signal strength availability and not for simple signal availability. So what I don't want to do is design such that I have coverage. I don't want to have a simple coverage design model that says, I can see the AP from here. Just because you can see it doesn't mean you'd want to use it, okay? Think of it like this. The reality is just because I can see a certain tool available on my tool shelf does not mean it's the right tool for the job. If I need a flathead screwdriver and what I see is a Phillips head, doesn't mean I should use it. In the same way, I need the right AP for the job, and that means I need to see the signal strength at the data rates I need. Therefore, at the signal strength level I need, the SNR level that I need, and so forth, based on the received sensitivity of my client and the applications that I'm using. Now, people often say, well, how do you know what signal strength you need? It comes down to data rate, and data rate is driven by applications because of the throughput requirements that they have. So when you define your applications, you can then define your needed data rates. When you've defined your needed data rates, you can define your needed signal strength and SNR, and that's the path you go through to get the coverage that you actually need.